In the realm of chaos, surrender is the only path to salvation. Your resistance has earned you title of prisoner for eternity. If you will not bow to my command and accept your fate, then perhaps I shall bring fate to you. Now come to hell. Fall into the void. Come join me in the underworld. It is time to resurrect the disasters of ancient past. As I open the portal to the underworld, they have returned to Earth, and they shall now assist me in rebuilding my kingdom. Rise! Prepare to face the ultimate winds of destruction. I will destroy this pathetic planet. Now perish.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will be followed from the President or a representative of the United States. The emergency alert system will be activated shortly. Please stand by. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted your regular programming at the request of the White House participating in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, all cable systems and local stations shall transmit this emergency action notification. This is WUCF, serving the Orlando area. If you're not in this local area, tune into local stations or cable systems provided to your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line is only kept for emergency purposes. The representative of the United States will be on the air shortly. Please stand by.
Hello, my fellow Americans. There is an ongoing situation in the North Atlantic Ocean. At 3:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an asteroid the size of a 4-story building struck the North Atlantic Ocean. Due to this crash, a powerful hypercane will form from the heated oceans caused by the impact. We confirm that hypercane maelstrom will impact the entire East Coast. The states that are in the danger zone include all of the Southeast, all of the Great Lake region, all of Missouri, all of Iowa, all of Minnesota, all of Yankton, and all of the Northeast. If you or your loved ones are in the danger zone, seek an underground shelter immediately. Above-ground shelters will not stand a chance with this hypercane. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. Do not attempt to storm chase this storm, as this could put your life in extreme danger. When Hypercane Maelstrom makes landfall, expect the following stages to occur. The outer band stage. This stage will have strong winds and rain showers. The dangerous eyewall stage. This stage will emit highly concentrated bursts of energy which cannot be felt by touch but can destroy anything in its path. This stage also makes incoming debris explode on impact. The eye of the hypercane. The weather will be calmer, but damaging winds are still effective. Finally, the outer eyewall stage. This is the most dangerous stage of the hypercane. Storm surges and tsunamis are likely while highly concentrated bursts of energy and exploding debris are guaranteed. This may sound extremely hard to survive, but we will all survive this event in one nation, under God. We will all work together and defeat the Blood Moon as a united country. At this time, all residents all across the planet must continue surviving the disasters until the fourth phase hits. The fourth phase will be the full battle between the human race and the Blood Moon. 4 pillars will spawn in 4 random locations across the United States. When the beacons activate, all survivors must get to the top of the pillar and disable the beacon. If we work together and disable all 4 of them within 30 minutes, Tartarus will be defeated and peace will be restored once again. When Phase 4 starts, Tartarus will not ask you any questions to prove your worthiness towards it, so everyone can now look at the Blood Moon. However, at this time, do not look at the Blood Moon. Doing so will trigger it and will make you answer a question to prove your worthiness towards Tartarus. If you have chosen poorly or just ignore the question, you will be killed by the Blood Moon. Back on topic, all residents in the East Coast must seek an underground shelter immediately. This is Daniel, signing off. God bless the United States of America.
Now, look. The moon. On the horizon. Do you see it? It's shining lovely, isn't it? Why not take a glance at the Blood Moon? You can't miss it.